Alright, what's going on guys, it's Luke here. I didn't plan to make this video today, but we ended up passing this eval. Obviously I wasn't trading today, but I opened my phone a few minutes before market open. I was in bed and I knew I had a lucid eval that was going to expire and I wanted to start trading it. And I didn't want to pay obviously the rebill. I only needed a bit to pass, so I was just like, hey fuck it, I'm going to see if I can catch a setup and see if I can just pass this in and out. Obviously don't recommend anybody to trade bank holidays, but like I said, I didn't want to pay this rebill and I just forgot about it till like right before like when I woke up. So I was like, whatever, let me just try to get this out of the way, see if I can pass if we get something, like if setups look good, right? So basically, price I seen was trending down. Again, I did this analysis in literally like 2 minutes. So I seen us trending down. I seen that we had all these highs up here leading into the new week opening gap, but we had a ton of sell side, and we were delivering out of this 1 hour bearish fair value gap right here. And what I seen was we had this low right here that we could easily trade down to. And then if you scroll back, we had all this low resistance liquidity leading into this 4 hour gap right here. So it's like maybe we want to manipulate lower, take that out, and then continue up and trade towards the new week opening gap. So coming into market open, like right away, I seen that we had this 5 minute gap. I didn't have time to mark it out. I just literally marked that out now when I got onto my computer. So we had this 5 minute gap, and I was like, okay, maybe if we trade into this 5 minute gap, I can look for shorts down. But when I went over to ES, and again, I just had to mark this all out now to show you guys the visual. At the time when I was trading, I literally had like none of this marked out. I just had to mark it out. I seen that price was trading out of this 5 minute gap, and it was trading out of 5 minute CE. So I was like, okay, maybe if ES continues to respect CE, this 5 minute gap, it's going to trade lower, and NQ is going to trade lower with it. So from there, I went down to the 1 minute, and if you see, we kind of had like a small SMT right here. ES puts in a higher high, NQ puts in a lower high right there. So we have a bearish SMT, and all I was looking for at this point, again, this is like 929. I'm like, okay, I want to see displacement down, and if you get displacement down, I'm just going to short because we have a clear break-even point right here. We could target down here, and then I'll just literally leave it and let it run until I get to my target. So I needed like $700. So threw one mini on. As soon as we got this close at 9:30, we got this strong bearish close. I'm like, okay, we're probably going to at least want to flush down, take these lows out, and then run it break even. And then if it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, we get stopped break even, and then we can try it again tomorrow. So we got this strong bearish close at 9:30. I ran stops. Well, I didn't even have time to put the stops on, but ran stops up here, whatever. And as soon as we took out these lows right here, I went break even, and I literally just held down to this hourly low, which was my target, like exactly for profit target, which was exactly what I needed to get me to 53,000, which was this hourly low. So in and out trade, I think I sat in this trade for like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Oh, actually, it was about 15 minutes or so. So I just went out of the room and kind of waited for this to play out. I think I don't know what happened there. I think it got screwed up. Anyway, whatever. So I think I just erased that low, but it doesn't matter, whatever. Anyway, so price, again, we traded down. We seen that we had low resistance sell side. We were delivering out of a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. I wanted to see price continue potentially lower before making a rotation back to the upside. We had a small SMT off the highs. Strong 1 minute bearish close entered off this candle right here, as you can see. So my entry was 781.50, and then exit, as you can see, was 36.50. So right there. So in and out, pretty much caught the bottom of the move, and then since there, I got really lucky on this, but we ended up passing the account. So I'm super happy with this. I just decided to make this trade recap because I thought it was funny on this exit, but no actual trades for me today. I'm not actually trading. There might actually be something decent. We might take these highs up, but I'm not trading this. This was just like a gamble for market open. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. We'll be back to normal tomorrow. So if you guys want to join the Discord, links in the pinned comment, everything like that, go check that out. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.